This one might really rattle the cage for some of you guys because I'm going to be adding some ingredients that may alter the drink of this already really good tasting drink. And I mean that in a good way, okay? But let's just dive right into it. First, I wanted to give it a little taste, but I had to make sure it didn't pop everywhere on me like the other one did because I had to travel freaking across the town just to get this limited edition creamy coconut Dr. Pepper. But anyways, first we're just going to add in our flavors. We're going to do Kapora coconut and blue raspberry Toronto. These two flavors mix together so well that we already use this combination of flavors on other drinks that we have, calling it like the Blue Hawaiian or other things of that nature. Next, we're going to add in our limited edition Dr. Pepper. And guys, listen, I know you've been telling me to pour it down the side and stuff like that, but sometimes I just want to just pour it in, okay? Now let's just move on to creating our special creamer. And in this part, guys, I really don't want you to have to worry about the antics of how to properly create your creamer with this hand frother. It really doesn't matter, but if you're going to be doing it on a commercial level like this, then I would want you to have to tap in and really make a good, consistent, silky, velvety type of creamer to go on top of these drinks, okay? Now, I wanted to add these same flavors to the creamer just to give it that extra oomph, you know what I mean? No extra brain meat needed on that one, okay? Just get straight to it. Let's just move on to adding this creamer to the drink and watch how exquisite the layering of this cold foam does to this Dr. Pepper. Like, man, when I tell you this one kind of snuck into the top 2 spots of dirty Dr. Peppers on me real quick, and I really feel it's because